Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to master Notion's status property. This powerful feature lets you track progress on tasks and projects with custom labels and visual indicators, making it easy to see exactly where everything stands at a glance. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the database where you want to use the status property. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new database to get started. Once you're in, look toward the rightmost column of your database. You'll see a plus button that allows you to add a new property or column. Click on it, and from the property type options that appear, select Status. This is the foundation for tracking your workflow. Next, you'll need to name your property. Choose something descriptive like task status or progress, depending on what you're tracking. Once you've typed in your preferred name, click Create to add it to your database. Now that your status property is set up, you can start using it right away. Click on the Status Property field in any row of your database. This opens up the status options menu where you'll see default choices like not started, in progress, and completed. These are great starting points, but the real power comes from customization. To tailor these options to your specific needs, click Edit Property in the Properties menu. This takes you into customization mode where you can truly make this feature your own. From here, you can add new statuses or rename existing ones to match your exact workflow. For example, you might want to add canceled or on hold to better reflect how your projects move through stages. As you create or modify each status, you'll also notice options to assign colors and icons. Take advantage of this by choosing distinct colors and icons for each status. These visual markers make it incredibly easy to scan your database and instantly understand the state of multiple items without reading through text. Once your statuses are configured, explore how different database views can enhance your tracking. Switch between table, board, and list views and experiment with grouping or filtering by your status property. The board view, in particular, transforms your database into a Kanban-style layout that's perfect for visual project management. Now you're ready to start updating the status property for your tasks or projects. As you move items through different stages, you'll find this system becomes an intuitive way to monitor workflow and maintain clarity across your workspace. Thanks for watching.